Dear one, today heaven decrees alignment over your life. Your mind, body, and path move in harmony. What belongs to you meets you without effort. You are guided, protected, and supported fully. There is no rushing, only right timing. Everything begins to flow as it was meant to. Declare it now. I am aligned with my highest good and my greatest joy. I am aligned with my highest good and my greatest joy. Everything flows effortlessly for me. Everything flows effortlessly for me. So be it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you, and we love you so much.